Hey friends, Bossy here. I'm not even going to do an intro today because this is going to be super short. I've got two things. First off, I'm not going to announce it just yet, but I have two hiking projects in the works for 2021 that I am super excited about. And once I get all the details kind of worked out, I will let you guys know. Second, I am rebuilding my gear kit to include a lot more ultralight things to get my base weight down as low as I possibly can. And I just got my first Christmas present in the mail, which is my first part of my ultralight kit. So I'm going to show you what I got, and that'll be it for today. So, straight from Hyperlite themselves, I have my new Dyneema DCF shoulder pouch. It has two clips on the back that will go on the daisy chain that will be on my new backpack. It is sealed with Dyneema tape, so it is almost completely waterproof. It has a cool inner pouch that I'll probably end up putting like my wallet bag in. And this cool little stretchy pouch, plus a blue cord. How neat, which will go great with my yellow backpack. So anyway, I just got this in the mail and I'm super excited to start receiving all of my fun new stuff in the mail so that I can start showing you gear swap videos of what I will be swapping out to make my kit more ultralight. So that's it for today, and happy Vlogmas!
Hey, the gorilla's loose!